In this video, you will learn how to connect the Epson EcoTank printer to a computer using your Wi-Fi network. Turn on your printer, press the power button to switch on your Epson EcoTank printer, then make sure it's ready. Access Wi-Fi setup mode, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your printer until the Wi-Fi light starts flashing, putting the printer in setup mode. Connect the printer to your Wi-Fi. On the printer control panel, select your Wi-Fi network such as SSID, then enter your password using the navigational buttons. The Wi-Fi light will stay solid once you are connected to the Wi-Fi on your printer. Install the Epson drivers and software. On your computer, go to the Epson website and download the latest driver versions, or the Epson Setup utility. Add printer to your computer. Open the Setup utility and go to your settings, devices, printer and scanner, add a printer, and that is for Windows. If you're on Mac, go to System Preferences, Printer and Scanner, then select your Epson printer from the available list. Test wireless printing. Print a test page to confirm that your printer is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi's computer. Now you know how to connect the Epson EcoTank printer to your computer using Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.